Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I've been very excited to try this blow dryer. I just washed my hair and I got busy, of course, and now it's dry and it shrinks like a mug. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Revlon paddle brush. It's the one-step hair dryer and styler. So it's pretty much just a blow dryer brush, and let's just see if it works on my head. Said in 2017, I kind of wanted, I'm trying to open this. I kind of wanted to get back to what I was doing when I first went natural, and I kept my hair stretched when I first, like when I transitioned, not so much, but when I first went natural, I kept my hair stretched, and I noticed a lot of growth from that. I want to start wearing my hair out, wear my natural hair more than I have been, so I'll be doing less and less wigs because I do have 2 trouble spots in the front of my head from wig combs. So I'll be wearing my natural hair and give you guys more natural hair styles and product reviews and all that kind of fun stuff that you already see on YouTube now, just a different person. It's just me. Anyways, so here's the brush. It's very light, it's lightweight, so that's great. It comes with 3 settings: cool, low, and high, and then you have an off switch. And it looks like the air is just ventilated, of course, through the brush. So let me stop talking and let's give it a try. I am going to be using the Design Essentials Agave and Lavender blow dry and silk press. So the thermal protectant cream and then the blow dry and styling primer. I've used these before. I actually like to use them together instead of using them separate. So I'll spray this on, then I'll use the cream, and then I have my silk infusion just because I don't know if I want to top that, but this is probably enough heat protectant, so I may just stick with these 2. So go ahead and wet my hair with this, then add those 2 products, then give it a blow dry. I'll be right back. Let's just get started. I am back with my final thoughts about the Revlon paddle brush blow dryer. After using this, I really only have one con for it. Well, maybe two, but really just one. This is all the hair that was in the brush. One of the major cons is, not major actually, it does snag a little bit. Not every section. I did about 6 sections and maybe 2 sections I did realize, or I did notice popping, or not popping, but the snagging on the brush. So that's number one. And also I can only use the low. I only kind of recommend just using the low setting. The high was really high. I felt like maybe they need a low medium high on this, and that would have been a lot better. But the low was just fine for me. It only took me less than 15 minutes to blow dry my hair, which is great. I am happy about that. But overall, it was very smooth for me. I didn't feel like my arm was gonna fall off when I was finished, like I normally do whenever I have blow dried my hair. I would say this. I wouldn't say it's a necessity. However, if you want to treat yourself and you went to Ulta and you used your points in your coupon that goes, you know, the $3.50 or whatever, which is something that I did when I got this, because I did purchase it myself. So I only ended up paying like, I think like $30 to have points, and I used a coupon on top of that and blah, 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 blah. So I think if you want to treat yourself to something nice, definitely get this. Also, if you're in need of a new blow dryer, I would definitely go ahead and get this as well. If you already have a blow dryer that you really like, and you already like your blow dryer routine and everything like that, I don't think this is like, I don't think this is a major for you. It was for me because I did have an old blow dryer, an older blow dryer, not too old, but I really wanted something to speed up my blow dry time, and this definitely did the trick. So if you're looking for that as well, if you do blow dry your hair often and you find that it takes too long to blow dry your hair, I would definitely give this a shot. I would probably give it a good A, not an A+. I would just give it a solid A. I think it's great. I think the price point is just fine when you use, you know, a coupon or whatever. I think it's in line with other blow dryers around there, and I think it did a really good job. It's really lightweight, and I don't really have much else to say about that. I just wanted to come back and give you guys a final review. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video. If you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them down below. And that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.